Oh shit. Oh. Blah. Hi, Jenny here. As I've mentioned in previous videos, my daughters have enjoyed buying me items to taste test for videos. So they were just at a concert in Chicago a couple weeks ago. They got to see ATs. Woo! And they came back with some Kit Kats that they found in Chinatown for me. So they're just individually wrapped up in this bag. Let's see what we have. It's so cute because they're so excited. But here, Mom, I have stuff for you to try. So we'll see what we've tried before and what we haven't. I can tell. We have mint. That one I've done. This one looks like an orange. Put my glasses on so I can read anything. If there's anything in English, they have. This is Japanese. Oh yeah. Well, this is chocolate orange, so that will be interesting. Cheesecake flavor. I almost thought that was going to be like banana. My daughter loves banana. She would love if they had banana Kit Kat. This one looks like just the dark chocolate. Let's find out. That I've had before. And I think this one is like a fig. Have a break, have a Kit Kat. Give me a break, give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Oh, this one I don't have to get my translator out. I don't know. This is gonna be like a biscuit or not. Ooh, salt lemon. That I've not had. Interesting. Alright, let's see. One of them is oatmeal. Oh, my daughter's saying one of them is oatmeal. See, this is oatmeal? Oh, okay. So the one that I don't melt was oatmeal. Alright. Excellent. So, this one should be hazelnut. I like hazelnut. Hazelnut is like the Ferrero Rochers. I believe that's what they're made of. Alright, so we'll start with the hazelnut, just because. This should be a basic flavor. We should start with the fruits and then move on, but... Oh. I was going to say, I only smell white chocolate, but I can smell a little bit of nutty flavor. It's the usual... Just get this right side up. Nope. Has the Kit Kat words on there, like they do. Let's see. If I break it, just looks like wafers. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I just like a Ferrero Rocher. Excuse me, a little more of a white chocolatey Rocher than a milk chocolate, but I like that. That's good. Well, let's try the oatmeal then. It's kind of the same flavor, but got the white chocolate. Yeah. Shed my milk. Same, just a blonde chocolate. Woo. Wafers look just a tad darker. I was gonna say kind of, I get that sugary like brown sugar, brown sugary, gritty. Kind of like oatmeal, kind of more. It's funny, the wafers, it just tastes more like a wafer cookie, but like plain wafer. But the white chocolate tastes less white chocolatey. Kind of like oatmeal. Funny, this one though it has that more of a gritty, sugary feel to it. Anyways, texture. I have the Kit Kat song in my head now. All right. We'll go for the cheesecake. I wonder if that one's going to be a white one too. Oh, even whiter. The other two are more of a milky white. This is white. Dun, dun, dun. First. Ha. Mmm. Yum. That taste hits the tongue right away. I could say a cheesecake. Still more of a white chocolate flavor, but a little hint of cheesecake. Well, I guess let's do orange before lemon. It'll probably have a less citrusy, overwhelming taste. So it melted. That one melted a little, but it's the milk chocolate. All right, still white wafers inside. Mmm. Oh yeah, that's orange. That is a good flavor. That hits you. I want to smell it. You can smell that orange. A little bit with that flavor. Woo! All right. Let's see how lemon compares. Kind of a little lemony color to it. It smells like lemon. All right. Yeah, had a good scent to it. This one too. That lemon flavor is like, bam, right there. That's good. Okay, let's see if this is just a dark chocolate. Okay. Ooh. Nope. Not dark chocolate. Maybe. Some dark chocolate. It's green. That means matcha flavored. Yeah. Smells green. I just tried a pennywort drink that the girls have brought me. That was green. Alright, well matcha's not bad. I've had matcha before. Oh shit. Oh. Blah. Wow. Good thing I've got one more. Good thing I've got one more to taste. I got that taste out of my mouth. Oh, let's see if my translator can do this one. That's more like spinach. No, I think I gotta get Japanese translation on my phone. I'll let you know what this one is. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's like a spinach or something. We're gonna go with mint now. Yay! I've had mint before. Mint is good. I can get it open. Right? Can't have it unless you get it open. Woo! Oh, what a day! Oops. So chocolate. That almost doesn't look completely beige to me. Oh, because it's mint. Oh. Yes, that's good. That was a good finishing touch. Anyways, I've had fun tasting these Kit Kats. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever tried any different flavors of Kit Kats and what you think. I don't know if I'm going to finish any more of my stack, but in any case, you guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye.